internet savvy. How many hours do you spend using social media?
Usually when I go home overnight sometimes, like 3 to 4.
3 to 4 hours?
Yes.
Wow. Doing what? Facebook?
That's a random things. Wikipedia, YouTube, and Facebook. Google. Yeah.
Friends. It says here that you have an idea in handling Cisco and creating network topologies. So, if you're gonna rate yourself from 1 to 10, regarding your network knowledge, how would you rate yourself?
On my network knowledge, I think 5.
5?
Because I believe I still got lots to learn, and on my Cisco we're still not yet on the middle part. It's like we're just tackling the basics for now.
So why did you take up computer engineering?
Because I'm into computers and I really want to just see what I can do in the future of computers.
I'm sorry?
I just want to see how I can be a part in the evolution of computers one day.
Evolution of computers, huh? So, computer engineering, why not IT? Why not computer science?
Because I really not just into softwares or program, I also want to check the hardwares and just really see what I can do to create a better and faster computers. Though programming is a part, but hardwares and everything, really all the parts of the computer included.
Computer engineering is more on circuitry, right?
No.
Hardware.
Dito ako binabasa ko nito. Sabi, yung kapatid ko, 7 years old. Inutusan ng nanay ko, nagluluto ng tinola. Nabili siyang papaya. Pagbalik na bumuli, pagbalik. Nagdala ng likas papaya.
Babaw. So going back, do you have a personal computer at home?
Yes.
Have you experienced troubleshooting it?
Sometimes
What problems have you encountered?
viruses, reformatting, network errors, sometimes
Network errors?
like problem concerns with the internet. And you can,
Usually, if I have network problems at home, I just call PLD. So you're troubleshooting your own ISP?
not much, but sometimes because I have a friend who also comes and guides me.
So, you have experience with antiviruses, right? So you know how to scan computers. Are you familiar with the desktop parts of the desktop computer?
Parts of the desktop,
Yes.
the softwares included.
No. I mean the hardware. CPU, processor,
Yes.
RAM, video card. You're familiar with that? How about since you have your own computer at home, I'm assuming you know how to install applications, right? So what are your expectations with our company, SPI Global? Did you hear anything from your classmates? Anything nice? Anything bad?
Mostly the good sides.
The good sides, like what?
like I'm gonna learn a lot here.
Is that all? Arvin learned a lot from me. Do you agree?
Almost it.
That's what I like
What's
about
your
it.
grade? JD, in a JD.
A plus. Sir.
Yeah. A plus. Here in SPI, actually, we are not strict. I'm just like, I'm just acting, you know. Here we're just cool person, right? Mr. Bong?
Cool as fuck.
Cool as fuck. Show him your pictures.
What pictures? What
Your
pictures?
coolest pictures. Ay, this is, do you know Raymond?
Supervisor.
Supervisor of IT. Galing kang cyber? Puta,
Hindi
baby.
mo doon.
Support na.
Ano ka rin doon?
Sa conference.
Huh?
Puta.
Sino?
HR.
Ay, yung Danilo de Pedro.
Oh, di ko na siya.
So going back, here in IT department, just like to give you a heads up, you will handle mostly hardware issues. On the software side, maybe you're just going to install applications, join computers to the domain. Are you already aware with servers, domains?
A little.
Okay. So, how about, I'm assuming you don't have any knowledge with headsets and Avaya phones.
On how to use them or
Have you already encountered using Avaya IP phone? How about headsets?
headsets.
I mean, what do you call that? Our headsets?
Job bro.
Okay, yung minaabot sa Avaya.
Ano?
It's a different type of headset. So you will learn, mostly that's the things that you will handle. But if you want to learn more things on what we do here in SPI, you could always ask questions, right? So here in SPI, we are following a process. Every IT concern needs to be filed through our ticketing system, which is Hornbill. So our process is, if a user has any IT concerns, first he can or she can either call service desk or file a ticket. Then the ticket will be assigned to us. Once the ticket has been assigned to us, we can already assist the user. Why do you think we need tickets for every IT concern? No, tickets are not hindi tickets sa bus yun ah. Tickets are for documentation purposes. That's where we update the status of the request. The user can that is where the user can check the status of his request, right? So if you're gonna be taking up your OJT here, the operations will be familiar with you, so they will know that you are an OJT from IT. Some of them will directly go to you and ask assistance. If somebody asks assistance to you, you need to verify if they already have a ticket. Because if they don't have a ticket and you did something and something went wrong, it will be we will be accountable for it, because it's not documented, right? So our slightest move here have their consequences. So make sure that before you move, you need to confirm if the user already filed the ticket, right? Even though it's just if you're just gonna replace a mouse, you're just gonna replace a keyboard, it still needs to be documented. So, do you have any questions? I'm assuming Arvind already told you that we do not have an allowance. But if you have a sister, you can talk, you can negotiate with Sir Bong. Ay, Sir Bong.
For survey.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Yes. You have a sister? Yes.
How?
How long? 16.
No. Hindi ba?
Kung buhay.
Change is coming.
Kaligay Duterte niyan.
Change ka.
So, how old are you, Dave, right?
19.
19.
Why?
Magkasingitad lang pala tayo.
Why? Why?
So, any other questions? Thank you for your time, Dave. Welcome to SPI.
Welcome aboard!
I'm called Althea.
Sorry. Oh, my